Jill Ackerman joined the Plumbing Mechanical Sheet Metal Contractors Alliance 2 years ago as Assistant Director of Membership Engagement and Workforce Development. During that short period, she redeveloped the Alliance's membership engagement and workforce development efforts, leading to a huge increase in youth apprenticeships with member contractors. Jill has gone above and beyond to spread the word to both contractors and schools, culminating with the Alliance's first Youth Apprenticeship Signing Day alongside Milwaukee Tool last April. She wants everyone to succeed and be the best they can be, coming up with new ideas for associations and contractors to implement.